how to make a simple guitar melody in 60 seconds. First, choose a VST. Now select your scale. Add your chord progression. I chose the 1, the 5, the 2, and the 6. Now to create our chord, skip 1, skip 1. Now we add the 7 to each chord. Now we highlight the second note and bring it up 1 octave. Now we break the chord to make an arpeggio. This is how we make our simple guitar melody. Let's take a listen. Please don't forget to hit that button like and subscribe, and head over to my website to get free beat making course.